Arjit Chaudhary and I'm the student of Institute and Management Kolkata. Today I am here in the Victoria Memorial to show some glimpse of it. So stay tuned. The Victoria Memorial was built in the memory of the Queen Victoria, who was the Queen of the United Kingdoms during the British period in India. It was completed in 1921 and designed by Sir William Emerson. The architecture in the beautiful mix of the British and Mughal style, made mostly of white marbles, which gives a royal look. Right now I am walking through the gardens surrounding the memorial. They are beautifully maintained and a popular spot tourists and the locals alike inside the memorial. There is a museum that displays paintings, sculptures, that displays the painting and the historical artifacts from the colonial era. Photography isn't allowed inside, but it's definitely worth it. The architecture is a mix of the British and the Mughal styles, also called Indo-Scanic revival style, related classical European elements like the pillars, domes and statues along with the Mughals. The entire building is made up of white marbles and the same marbles used for Taj Mahal. The Victoria Memorial stands 200 feet tall. It covers an area of around 64 hectares, including the large gardens all around it. The main dome is topped with a bronze statue of Victory which rotates the wind, a very unique feature. Inside the building there is a museum managed by the Ministry of Culture. It has 25 galleries that display rare photographs, colonial paintings and old coins, weapons and historical documents. One of the key highlighting is the Royal Gallery which showcases portraits of the Queen Victoria and other British royals. As you can see here, some historical swords are kept here which are used for fighting in that olden days, and few barrels are kept here which were the most powerful during that days. As you can see, the Victoria Memorial is quite a lot of big place and it's such a beautiful. So here you can see the beautiful the natural scenery of from the Victoria Memorial. The view from the Victoria Memorial gives a heartwarming feeling. So let's go up and see what else these are others to see. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble monumentum. It mixes architectural styles, Italian Resistance architecture blended with Mughal, Egyptians, Venetians and Indo-Saracenic influence. There is a Royal Gallery, oil painting from the famous artists such as Thomas and William, Zofani, etc. One of the highlighting a large painting by Vasily showing in the state of. So here timing is from 10 am to 5 pm to 6 pm, typically Tuesday to Sunday, closes on Monday and on certain national holidays. The gallery entry fee is rupees 30 and the 30 and rupees 50, free entry for certain categories, school students, dual uniform and the army personalities, etc. So if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.